Hi, my name is Kimatina, and this screencast is going to show you how you can advise your students to unenroll in a Google Classroom class. So why would you have students unenroll? Well, maybe they are being switched from one team to another, or it's the end of the marking period. So you want to remember to tell the students to unenroll from your class while you still see them so that it doesn't clutter up their dashboard. If they don't unenroll, they're going to have a whole bunch of classes listed in their dashboard, and your class roster is going to be reflected by inactive students. So you want to do a little bit of housekeeping and advise them to unenroll when they get switched or it's the end of the marking period. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So the first thing that I want you to do or see is right now I am in my teacher account, and the class that I'm going to be demonstrating this on is my GTMS EdTech class. And if I click on that and I go to the People tab, you're going to see I have 75 students, and that's fine, okay? Now, the student perspective, okay, is right here. I'm in the student account, and here is my GTMS EdTech class. Okay, so this is a student point of view, and when the student gets to their class page, this is the page that you want to declutter for the students and clean up, because if they don't unenroll, this is the page that's going to be full of classes. So they can click on the three-dot menu here at the top of the class card and select Unroll. And that's going to just remove them from the class. All of the files that they created while they were in your class are still accessible through Google Drive. So nothing is being deleted from Drive. It's just that they're going to be removed from your Google Classroom. So tell them to click Unenroll. And once they do that, the class disappears from their class card page. Okay, so again, it'll be less cluttered when they unenroll. From your dashboard, on your point of view, if I go back into my GTMS EdTech class and I click on the People page, now I have 74 students. So that number reflects and gets updated within your Google Classroom. So any work that you graded or turned in is going to be removed from your dashboard. Okay, so you won't see statistics on that student anymore either. All right, so I highly recommend that you advise them to unenroll from your class if they switch teams or if it's the end of the marking period. All right, I hope you found this screencast helpful.